Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenan jengok kai perthai ke Sorkar jela ba pol lingdo ula pentim. Bana kaliang jong komunong mi khamat ka West Shillong Constituency ula khot penlong de ka jingelang bat ki snong ba pher ki badan hapok ka Constituency ha ka banya kren Halor ki babun ki mat kham tam kumno ban rat dingkhong bat ban pundu jai shisndon yu Drok. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor mentak sengi ka arpulai tarik ujemang arajar arpusau na kaliang ba apol ula ong kum shibenta ban wan ra ki kampen roy he ka jingelang laya keren chapang ki surok ka jing penbiang ni ka umbam ka boarding ka jing sakut kali bat kiwei shushu ha ka jingelang la khampai khamat ha ka bai de bat ka jing jelai jong kinong di droks bat ru ki badi na kaliang ba pol ula pentip ru ba ka Sorkar kan sa penlong ye ka jingjurep ye ki jaka ki ba khapnya ka surok badru ki jaka penyeng kali hapo ka Constituency uba pol ula pentip ru ba ka Sorkar kan Pynlut hadu saw Pynsngewthuh Klur tengka na kebentaman penlong ye ki program Pynsngewthuh Paidbah Halor ka jingrat dingkhong yu Drok na ka jela badula pentip ru ba ka Sorkar kan kerpat ye ki seng bahalang ki seng tremon ngobha ba ki nyetrelang bat ka Sorkar na ka bentaban la ban tre ye ka kam.
Well, as I had earlier briefed you about the various action plans that we have in mind, a new initiative will be now to coordinate better with the local darbars, which was one of the concerns raised at today's meeting. So in this regard, a meeting is being convened, a meeting of the state level dream mission is being convened on Tuesday next, which will be attended by officials including the DG Police and senior officials of the Home Police Department, where we have identified certain gaps and missing links between the activities of the social welfare and the Home Police Department. These various concerns of the department will be highlighted at the meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. of Tuesday next.
Under this dream mission to eradicate this drug menace, is the government also considering to extend financial aid in the form of a sort of health insurance, but it's not, but it's a financial aid for treatment of drugs users, because we know that majority of the drugs users come from very poor family background.
We will examine various aspects. As of now, we in the current financial year, we have a balance of roughly 4.5 crore rupees, which we will spend for various initiatives and programs to try to curtail and eradicate drug menace from Meghalaya. So this will be the point that you had raised will also be one of the issues that we will discuss at Tuesday's meeting, and we will also try to identify reputed NGOs and self-help groups, civil society groups, which we will request their support in coming forward, and we will incentivize them with allocation of certain funds in order to help the government in its endeavor.
Will government also ensures that these NGOs which are being funded by the government should at least consider to reduce the cost of the treatment, because as of now it is exorbitant. It amounts to rupees at the range of 30 to 40,000 a month for treatment of drugs.
Which is why now we have gone to the community and we would like DREAM to be a community-oriented program. As has happened in the case of Maulai Town Dotwar, whoever have been under their care, there was not a single rupee charged from any of those beneficiaries for the entire period of their stay until they were certified to have completed the entire orientation and counseling program. So it was totally free of cost and supported by government funds.
But just a second, let me finish. Bapal, is the government also coming up with SOPs for these rehabilitation centers across the state? Because we have seen incidents like a drug user committing suicide and these and other incidents.
We already have a set of SOPs, but we will need to further revisit those SOPs in order to mitigate chances of incidents like you mentioned.
But Paul, we have seen that
We identified the hotspots. In fact, we have placed this particular report on the table of the State Assembly. In fact, these include names of villages in various districts of Meghalaya, and the hotspots are spread across the state except a few districts.
if you remember, within Shillong town, if you remember some of the names.
Shillong would include almost every locality, including entire West Shillong constituency, then Happy Valley, Nong Tamai. These were some of, but you can access this document, it's available.
Don't you think that considering civic communities and the crimes, don't you think that, or will you be convening a meeting of all the city MLAs, 7-8 MLAs, so that there is a collective approach to deal with this, so that no constituency is left out?
Yeah, which is why the meeting scheduled for Tuesday next is very important, because we will first try to have a point of synergy and consensus with the Home Police Department. Now, a new DGP has just taken over. A new mission director of the DREAM project has already been identified, and she will take over once the MCC period is over. And therefore, there will be a new approach, hands-on approach towards the problem of drug menace. We will tackle it with all the firmness required. And after the session on Tuesday with the Home Police Department, where we expect that it will culminate in a synergy of approach, we will then involve all the MLAs across the state and call them probably on a district-wise basis. Convened in order to elicit opinion from the 10 Dorpashnongs of West Shillong constituency on various issues confronting the constituency, including matters relating to development and also concerns regarding the drug menace. So, where developmental activities are concerned, there were issues raised concerning water, power supply, LPG connections and distribution, and road capacity, traffic. Those were issues raised. and also we discussed about the situation that has now become very rampant, which is the growth of drug users and traffickers in the constituency. So, in the presence of government officials, the various concerns were raised and addressed, and also we have agreed for an on-spot inspection of the various sites within the constituency relating to demarcation of traffic junctions and also for parking lots to be earmarked within the constituency. So these were the issues.
Well,